Hi everyone, welcome to Stitchy Days. Today I'll show you how to make a cute puffy crochet flower hair clip, and we'll even recycle an old claw clip. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if it's the first time crocheting. Start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to make a loop. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 1 to secure. This is the base of our flower. Next we'll make 6 single crochets inside the ring. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now let's do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now repeat this 6 times. Now pull the ring tight to close the center. This creates a tight circle for the flower center. Now insert your hook into the first stitch that we have made, and now pull up another color. I am using pink. And then you can secure it with a double knot. Now we'll start making the petals. So now chain 3, yarn over and pull up a loop. This is your chain, so we need to make a chain of 3. Now insert your hook into the same stitch. And now we'll make 5 double crochets. So yarn over and pull up a loop and pull it, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now stretch it and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we need to repeat that 5 times. Once you have made 5 double crochets, just yarn over and pull through all the loops. Now chain 1. You need to make chain 3 now, and then slip stitch into the same stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have to repeat it 5 times to make 5 petals. So again chain 3 and repeat. When all petals are done, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Cut the yarn, leaving a short tail. Pull it through to secure. That's your first puffy flower. Repeat the same steps to make a second flower. Use hot glue to attach each flower to the sides of your old claw clip. And look, a recycled claw clip turned into a fun puffy flower accessory. You can also make just one flower and attach it to a regular hair clip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.